Hey everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. Today I just want to share with you this new product about video marketing. Okay, the Snap Video Profits by Stephen and Greg. Okay, are you sick and tired of seeing everyone else crush it online, but not you? Two regular guys uncover the idiot-proof way to rank dozens of videos on page 1 of Google and YouTube in under 24 hours and bring in $1,000 a week from free traffic. A fresh way to get your affiliate link to the top of Google and YouTube. So what this product all about? So this product is a step-by-step. It's a case study course wherein you can do it on a simple way. You can rank your video, okay, even without no experience, even you never made a video or you don't have any idea what to promote. Okay, if you don't need to have a website, you don't need to have a content, you don't need to have a list. Okay, so this was never been done in internet marketing before. Why is Snap Video Profits your very best chance to achieve stable revenue with the power of YouTube? So Stephen and Greg will teach you simple way how to rank videos. Okay, it's a step-by-step case study that will be able instantly access from your private members area. So you will see some result and proof on their sales page. So this is more on promoting an affiliate product using YouTube marketing. Okay, and they will teach you how to rank video on YouTube and Google. Okay, and generate sales with your video review. Okay, about the new affiliate product. So that's all for now. So if you want this course and if you want to crush YouTube marketing, so I highly recommend this product. So grab it. So you can click the link below on this video and you can start making profits using video.